Hello and welcome to Magic Hair Company. We are a premium custom glueless lace human hair wig store conveniently located in Culver City, California. Now today we are doing a video to better explain our 360 lace wig cap. You heard it right. We have 360 lace wigs in stock. Now if you want one of these beauties, they are not available on our website magichaircompany.com. They're currently only available in our Culver City store because we know they will sell out fast. So the main difference and benefit of our 360 lace wig is, as you can see here, there is lace all the way around the entire perimeter of the wig. Because this lace is all the way around the entire perimeter, it gives you a lot more parting versatility and styling options. For additional security, you can definitely anchor this comb in to the nape of your wig. So you see this black adjustable and removable band that's standard on all of our wigs, whether it's lace front, full lace, or front lace wigs. You see right here on the mannequin, it's placed under the chin, but when you actually wear it, it's at the nape of your wig, and you can just anchor that comb in. Our wigs have baby hair all the way around the entire unit, giving you even more of a natural, flawless look. This is beautiful curly hair. You can run your fingers through it. You can flat iron it. You can add some curls with heat in it. Add a little dab of heat protectant. When you straighten this hair out, it will definitely come back to curly. Just wash it and add some conditioner. All of our wigs come with pre-bleached knots, and they're free parting up to 6 inches. So you can change this part and style it however you want. You can do a top knot, you can do a middle part, you can do a side part, you can style it however you want. Now the easiest way to change the part in any of our wigs is to just add a little bit of moisture. So in our spray bottle over here, we have our Magic Hair Company curl definer and amplifier and some water. We're just going to spray that on the unit here and simply change the part and define some of those curls. We love our 360 wigs. Not only is it our beautiful curly hair that all you have to do is wet and let air dry. Look at it. Look how beautiful this curly hair is. But it's our 360 lace wig cap. So this is what you're looking for. You're looking for a style where you can pull your wig up into a high ponytail and have that lace protection all the way around. The 360 lace cap from Magic Hair Company is the perfect and ideal solution to your needs. You can still freely part it. You can do half up, half down, whatever you like and desire. Now, all of our wigs are available at magichaircompany.com, except for this 360 lace wig. We do have our 360 lace wigs available from, I believe, 24 inches to 18 inches, available in store only. So if you're interested, go ahead and send us a message or give us a call during our business hours. Our phone number is 310-558-0181 and see what we have left. We have it in curly, we have a few silky straights, and we have kinky straight available. Look at those curls. Look at them shine. Look at them dance. All we did was put a little bit of moisture in it, and whoop, those curls went right back to being curly. Get you some quality curly hair that knows how to act. Our hair will last you. You can wet this hair. You can color this hair. You can do whatever you like to this hair, and this wig will last you because it is a quality wig from Magic Hair Company. Shop with us if you want a quality, long-lasting wig. Now, we also help with medical reimbursement. So for you ladies who are suffering from hair loss issues, contact us today and we will let you know the exact steps to follow up with to get your wig covered by your insurance provider. If you want a quality, long-lasting wig, not that throwaway hair from the beauty supply, not that surprise hair you get in the mail, or not that scam hair you're getting off of Facebook, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. We have been in the industry for almost 10 years and here in our Culver City store for almost as long as that time. Come shop with us if you want the best quality wigs. Our website is magichaircompany.com and we're conveniently located in Culver City, California. Shop with us if you want the best. See you soon, ladies. Bye.